Good morning, Rick, Black Rifle here, talking this morning about the Fiocchi ammo. Anyway, the two ammos that I like, two rounds that I enjoy, are the 55 grain Fiocchi boat tail, a full metal jacket boat tail. This is what it's capable of at 100 yards. So it's some real good ammo. I tried to match it and I can't find a match that'll hold that tight a group at 100 yards. Second round that I like is the ballistic tip. It's a boat tail ballistic tip. It's a polymer tip inside a hollow point. It's 50 grains and it's devastating on deer and coyotes and hogs. It's a killer. And for the long range, my precision rifle, I use the 77 grain Exacta Sierra boat tail hollow point. This is very accurate. As you can see with this target here, this was fired at 100 yards. 3 rounds here, 3 rounds there, 1 round there, 1 round there. Headshot. 100 yards. Can't beat it. This was fired using the Silver Bear ammo, and you can see the group here. It's acceptable, but it's not as good as the Fiocchi. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the little short video on the Fiocchi ammo. It's good ammo. It's Italian. This is made in the United States, but it's an Italian-owned company. Worth the price. I think 17 bucks a box for this. I think it was 13 or 14 for the ballistic tip. No, I think it was 30 for the ballistic tip. And I think it's 14 for the 55 grain boat tail full metal jacket. Good ammo. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a beautiful day here in South Carolina. And by the way, that was all fired in a Palmetto State Armory AR-15 at 100 yards, 16-inch barrel, 1 7 twist, with that target there. The other was fired in the same rifle, but with the 63 grain Silver Bear hollow point ammo. So there's the difference. With the Fiocchi, you got a tighter group. It's a more consistent load. It's good ammo. I recommend it. Fiocchi. Could be because I'm Italian, right? Have a great day. Bye-bye from South Carolina.